In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Subtasks template in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know how to turn any well-structured task into a reusable template that brings along all of its subtasks, so you can launch repeatable work in seconds. First, head to the ClickUp login page and sign in. If you see the option to continue with Google, go ahead and click that. Then select your Google account to complete the login. If your setup uses a different sign-in method, just log in as you normally would and you'll end up in the same place. Once you're in ClickUp, open the task that already has all the details and subtasks you want to save. This is important. The template will mirror what's inside this task, so take a moment to confirm the subtask names, descriptions, and any fields look the way you want them to appear whenever you reuse the template. Clean, clear structure here saves you time later. With the task open, look for the three-dot menu, usually in the top right corner of the task window, and click it. From that menu, choose Templates, then select Save as Template. This opens the template settings for the task you're saving. Give your template a clear descriptive name so teammates know exactly when to use it. Think in terms of the outcome or process, like client onboarding with subtasks, rather than something generic. Next, adjust the sharing options. Decide whether this template should be available just to you or shared with your workspace or specific locations, depending on who needs to use it. Setting the right visibility now ensures consistency for your team. You'll see options for what to include. If you want an exact copy of everything in the task, choose Import Everything. If you prefer more control, select Customize Import Items. In that customization panel, make sure subtasks are included. That's the key to preserving your subtask structure. You can also decide whether to bring over things like descriptions, attachments, due dates, assignees, or custom fields, depending on how standardized you want your template to be. When everything looks good, click Save Template. ClickUp will confirm that your template has been created. From now on, when you create a new task and open the Templates option, you'll be able to find this template by name and instantly spin up the same task structure, complete with the subtasks you included. That's it. You've successfully created a subtasks template in ClickUp. Use this approach to standardize repeatable workflows, reduce setup time, and keep your team aligned every time you start a similar task.